Hey guys, this is Prag from The Ordinary Life, back to you with another video, and this time with the unboxing of Honor 7X. So you have a 15.1cm Full HD Plus display, 16 plus 2 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front camera. And this is Geo VoLTE supported. It also has a fingerprint sensor and packs in a 3340 mAh battery. Let's get into the box. Cut that. Okay, so on the top you get the phone, and it looks pretty sleek. Let's keep it aside for a second. Let's see what's in the box. So you have a SIM ejection tool, which is pretty fancy. You have a quick start guide, warranty card, and you also get a case, which is very nice. Lot of China companies gave it that nowadays. And you get a charger, micro USB charger, and yeah, nothing else. You get just a charger and the phone in the box. So here is the phone. Let's open it. It's very nice. It's very lightweight and looks very sleek. Let's peel the sticker off. It also has a micro SD card slot, which is a hybrid one. Let's boot this up. It has a 18:9 aspect ratio. Powered by Android. The first impressions are pretty good. I'll be back to you within a week with the review of this thing, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and like the video if you liked it. Stay tuned for more.